Try a new lifestyle on the other side. Unleash your mild nature in a smart way and explore the underwater world like a pro. Introducing the Geneinno S2, the most portable sea scooter that can be monitored by smart app. Obsessed with various water sports, the Geneinno S2 offers you the new style of water exploration in various scenarios. Geneinno S2 gives a new way to do everything about water sports. Change to low speed to help capture the stunning underwater footage with a built-in camera mount. The scooter provides up to 60 minutes underwater adventure. Cruising through the ocean up to 2.7 miles per hour with its modern, neat design, S2 makes you the dolphin underwater. At merely 5.9 pounds and a battery capacity of lower than 100 watts, you can take it with you whenever and wherever. Monitor your speed, distance, light, and battery. The smart app keeps tracking your diving details every time. Because S2 was designed for all ages, we designed the child safety lock on the left side to keep danger away. The parent mode allows you to control the scooter on the ground via the mobile app, while your children learn to swim in the pool. Geneinno S2 is aimed to make diving and water sports fun and smart. Diving up to 98 feet with S2 saves the energy and time. Everyone can explore the ocean in an easier way. When your diving is done, simply share your diving route and information with your friends. We are committed to make the Geneinno S2 to be the most portable and affordable sea scooter for everyone.